There, guys, it's Mrs. Sharpley again. And as we continue to work with figurative language this week, which of course is when there is hidden meaning behind what is being said, you do not take it literally, there's some hidden meaning there. We are going to be talking about metaphors. Now, metaphors, I've went ahead and posted our piece of our song here, but I did not glue my bottom piece because once again, we're going to glue it in like a pocket. So I have my piece here. We'll glue it on the sides and we'll glue it on the bottom. Let's glue it in there. All right. Now as we look at our bottom piece there, it says that a metaphor is a comparison of two unlike things by saying that one thing is a dissimilar object or thing. So for example, it says Dad is a monster in the morning before he drinks his coffee. Now, Dad isn't really a monster. However, there's that hidden meaning meaning that Dad is obviously not a very pleasant person until he drinks his coffee. So unlike a simile uses like or as. A metaphor is actually saying Dad is a monster. Now, if it said Dad is like a monster, then that would be a simile. But because we're saying it is, or they are something for sure, then that means that it is a metaphor. Now, a non-example is Dad is a boat. Well, what do you mean? Like, yes, dad and a boat are dissimilar. There's no reason for the comparison, so it doesn't make sense as a metaphor. If you found reasoning to yourself, then you would actually have to explain that reasoning. The tips on the side say that usually contain be verbs such as am, are, is, where, was, or were, and then can be changed into a simile by including like or as, and a comparison should be obvious or be explained. So if I say that my little brother is a pig, then we've kind of heard that metaphor before. It must mean that he, just eats everything in sight, or maybe he eats sloppy. But if it's not extremely obvious and it's not a metaphor that's used commonly, then you would have to explain it. Now, it can be changed to a simile by using like or as, just like I said with Dad is a monster. If you changed it to Dad is like a monster, then it would be a simile. All right, so when we look at our top section up here, it has a section of the Lone Star song, I'm Already There. It says, I'm already there by Lone Star. I'm already there, don't make a sound. I'm the beat in your heart. I'm the moonlight shining down. I'm the whisper in the wind, and I'll be there to the end. Can you feel the love that we share? Oh, I'm already there. And there are a lot of metaphors there. I'm already there, don't make a sound. I'm the beat in your heart. That is going to be a metaphor because not really the beat in your heart. It's just meaning that you're that connected. I'm the moonlight shining down. Another metaphor. And I'm the whisper in the wind. Another metaphor. And it's meaning that they're thinking of you. You feel you feel your heartbeat just like you feel like someone cares about you. And you feel the winds blow. So over here we'll say that meaning that this person can feel someone care about them like a heartbeat or the wind. All right. Now, just like last time, we have some little slips here that we've cut apart. We'll take a look at the first one. It says, babysitting for the Jones family is running a 3-ring circus. And that is kind of a more common metaphor because it's referring to it's very crazy. There's always multiple things going on. So babysitting for this family is not an easy thing. You've got one kid who must be making a mess with the Legos, and you've got another kid who's running around the house crying. You've got another kid who is maybe hiding and she can't find them. It's just a very crazy time. So we'll go ahead and put that in our metaphor pocket. And then we have the toddler's eyes were sparkling gems. And of course, a gem is, like a diamond or a pretty little sapphire. So it's something that's very pretty and sparkly. Now, the toddler's eyes obviously don't have diamonds in them, but it must mean that this toddler has very, very pretty eyes and they kind of twinkle like maybe a diamond would. So we'll put that in our metaphor pocket as well. And then we have Tyler's room is a junkyard. Now, a junkyard is a place where you can go and you can find a whole bunch of broken down cars that are in pieces, and it's just a very messy, kind of gross place to go. And Tyler's room is not nice and clean. It is just definitely a mess. If it is like a junkyard, or if it is a junkyard. It didn't say like, because that would be a simile. It is a junkyard. So we'll put that in our metaphor pile. Our next one says, you are the sunshine in my days. Now, really, people can't be sunshine, but they're just saying that in someone's day, it may be maybe kind of gloomy or not very pleasant, but this person is saying that this person is a very enjoyable piece of their day. It's the part of their day that turns everything around. So we'll go ahead and tuck that in our metaphor pocket. And then we have Brian's teeth are a car wreck. Well, when cars wreck, it's kind of messy and scary and there's pieces all over the place. Brian does not have very nice teeth. Brian is probably going to need some braces because he's maybe missing some teeth and his teeth maybe are a little crooked, but that's all right. Braces can always fix that. So we'll go ahead and put that in our metaphor pocket. And then hopefully now when we come across metaphors this week, we can identify them and use them a little bit easier.